Welcome back to Auto Inside. Today we're diving into a true masterpiece that blends classic soul with modern engineering, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 vintage pickup. This isn't just a truck, it's a rebirth of a legend that dates back to the golden age of American pickups, brought back to life with today's cutting-edge technology and comfort. Let's begin with the exterior. At first glance, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 grabs your attention with its unmistakable retro design. It pays direct homage to the original 1947 Advanced Design series, with its rounded fenders, vertical grille bars, and high shoulder line. But this isn't just a copy, it's a revival. Chevrolet has reimagined this classic look using modern LED headlights, subtly integrated into vintage housings, precision-cut chrome details, and satin matte paint options that give it both old-school charm and new-school swagger. It sits on polished 20-inch aluminum wheels that have been designed to look like vintage Steelies from the 50s, keeping the heritage alive with a futuristic twist. You'll also notice hidden sensors and cameras seamlessly embedded around the body, preserving the truck's retro appearance while maintaining modern safety tech. Now stepping inside. The cabin is where vintage truly meets luxury. The interior is a beautiful fusion of leather, brushed aluminum, and real wood grain trim. The bench seat might look old-fashioned, but it's wrapped in premium perforated leather with heated and ventilated options. The dashboard mimics the classic design, complete with circular dials and toggle switches. But don't let that fool you. It hides a fully digital 12.3-inch customizable instrument cluster, paired with a center-mounted 13-inch touchscreen powered by Chevrolet's latest system, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, built-in Alexa, and even 5G connectivity. It's all here. The three-spoke steering wheel looks like it came from the past, but it's loaded with modern controls and haptic feedback. Ambient lighting, high audio from a custom Bose system, and even retro-stitched floor mats complete the upscale vintage vibe under the hood. The 2026 Chevrolet 3100 offers two options. The first is a 5.3-liter V8 with 400 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque, giving it that classic rumble with responsive throttle and real muscle. The second, more futuristic option, is an all-electric version powered by GM's Ultium platform, producing 450 horsepower with instant torque and a range of around 300 miles, whether you go gas or electric. Both powertrains are paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission or optional single-speed direct-drive motor for EV, giving you smooth and responsive performance. It's got rear-wheel drive as standard with available all-wheel drive for those wanting more grip and confidence on rougher roads. In terms of performance, this isn't just a showpiece. The truck rides on a fully independent suspension system, offering excellent handling and comfort. The steering is well-weighted, the brakes are firm and modern, and the ride quality is surprisingly refined. Chevrolet has gone the extra mile to tune the chassis for both nostalgia and practicality, making it an everyday usable classic. Whether you're cruising on the highway or parked at a car show, this truck gets attention and drives like a dream. As for pricing, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 vintage pickup starts at around $65,000 for the V8 model and goes up to $78,000 for the electric variant. Fully loaded models with custom finishes and optional upgrades can cross the $85,000 mark, making it a premium lifestyle vehicle aimed at collectors, enthusiasts, and those who want to turn heads wherever they go. In a world filled with futuristic, aggressive designs, the 2026 Chevy 3100 stands as a nostalgic breath of fresh air. It's bold, it's beautiful, and it proves that sometimes looking back is the best way to move forward. If you're into heritage with horsepower, this pickup might just be your next dream machine. Thanks for watching Auto Inside. If you enjoyed this vintage meets modern review, make sure to subscribe and drop a comment on whether you'd go V8 or electric. See you in the next ride.